Hello guys and welcome to this video. I will share with you step by step how to find your BNP Paribas IBAN. So friends, all you have to do, go to Google, search for IBAN, BNP Paribas IBAN. As you can see here, this is the keyword. Click this one for IBAN. You will see this page and then scroll down. You will see calculate IBAN. Click on this one, calculate IBAN. After that, you will redirect it to IBAN page. From here, all you have to do, write your account number. So friends, if I go to this, for example, website, click on BNB Paribas account number. For example, you will see your account number. So friends, just wait, click on this one. After that, copy this account number. For example, you will see 12 digits for account number. For example, this one, and then click validate. So friends, when you click validate, you will see your IBAN from here on this section. So this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video.